This past September, like many places in East Tennessee and Southwest Virginia, Bays Mountain Park received extensive damage from Hurricane Helene. That caused the park to close for a week. Since then, staff and volunteers have been working hard to clean up the debris. But this past Monday, the park took a step forward in the right direction as it received a grant from the Tennessee State Museum for $150,000. News Channel 11's Jared Sellers went out to the park to see what the grant would be used for in the future.
On September 27th, many places felt the impacts of Hurricane Helene. One of those was a fan favorite, Bays Mountain Park. With many trees still down and a damaged roof in the Nature Center, the grant will help fix these issues.
At the Nature Center, we were looking at replacing our roof. We had some significant damage to the roof. A tree came down and made a nice hole into the roof. It also broke some balcony boards as well.
$26,000 will be used to reimburse several expenses, such as a tree removal, a roof patch, and balcony repair. Most of the grant will go towards the replacement of the roof. The estimated cost will be more than $250,000.
It'll come from a few funds that we have within the park itself. We do have a friends group. We also have the commission as well. So we'll be taking a look at our budget and looking at what can the grant cover, and then where are we lacking as far as funding is concerned.
Many things were damaged by Hurricane Helene this past September here at Bays Mountain State Park. Now, one of those things being is what you see here behind me, the wolf exhibit. Portions of it are opened at this time, but other portions are closed due to the damage from Hurricane Helene. But the good news is by this summer, the wolf exhibit will be fully reopened.
The city of Kingsport has until July 1st of 2026 to complete the project. Reporting in Bays Mountain, Jared Sellers, News Channel 11.